What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Emperors Vigor Tonic before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Emperors Vigor Tonic works. What sets Emperors Vigor Tonic apart? Emperors Vigor Tonic stands out as a pioneering formula crafted with your well-being at its core. This exceptional supplement combines meticulously selected plant and mineral extracts, targeting a specific enzyme in your body to amplify performance and overall male health. It represents a unique approach to male wellness, promising remarkable results. Exclusive availability. Curious about obtaining Emperors Vigor Tonic? This potent supplement is exclusively accessible through the official website. It is not available on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or any other online marketplace. Ensuring you receive the authentic product directly from the source with every purchase. How Emperors Vigor Tonic functions. Emperors Vigor Tonic is dedicated to enhancing male health through natural means. Its precise blend of plant extracts and minerals synergistically boosts the production of enzymes crucial for male health. 1. Key benefit is heightened nitric oxide production, vital for blood circulation, muscle relaxation, and overall heart health. Benefits of Emperors Vigor Tonic. The benefits of Emperors Vigor Tonic are extensive and impressive, supporting improved blood circulation, enhances overall blood flow. Inflammation control, reduces inflammation for enhanced well-being. Hormonal balance, supports equilibrium in hormone levels. Stress relief, aids in stress reduction, promoting a serene state of mind. Convenient and safe consumption. Emperors Vigor Tonic is conveniently available in capsule form. The recommended dosage is 1 capsule per day, easily integrating into your daily regimen. Moreover, all ingredients are 100% natural, non-GMO, and free from stimulants and toxins. Manufactured in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility in the USA, Emperors Vigor Tonic upholds the highest standards of quality and safety. Ready to reap the benefits? Seize the opportunity to elevate your health and vitality with Emperors Vigor Tonic. Click the link below to visit the official website and secure your supply today. Take the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you.